Okay, so here it is. We are now in the so-called valence electron. What is valence electron? Okay, so the valence electron is known as, this is the electron in the outermost shell. Pinaka last, no? That is the number of electrons in the outermost shell. No? So valence electron is the outer electrons that are involved in bonding, and most are chemical change of the element. No? So the rules of defining valence electron is the outermost. For instance, in group 1A, meaning ang pinaka-last nga electron niya, pila, it's only 1. Na ay 1 sa gawas, no? Ang pinaka-last nga electron. Kating kaning 1 nga electron, kinahanglan niya ni i-share or i-transfer so that your group 1A elements will be stable. In most cases, it is being transferred to 7. Now, group 7A, 7B, 7A, like that. No? Nga naman, because 7A, the halogen group has 7 electrons. To make it complete, it needs 1 electron. That is why this group 1A either transfer that 1 electron. So that is what is meant by valence electron. Valence electron is the electrons in the outermost shell. So there are four main groups. That is the S, P, D, F. Dumdum sa quantum number, that is S, P, D, F. No? Let us remember, S has 2 electrons, P has 6 electrons, D has 10 electrons, and F has 14 electrons. No? So from 4 transition metals, electrons in full F shell are not valence electrons. Katong sa F na, wala na siya valence electron. Okay, no? So here it is, example of valence electron. No? This is the outermost energy level. No? It has this main group, that is the SPDF. For instance, you have it here, the phosphorus. No? The one that I had described to you in electronic configuration are phosphorus. It has katong noble gas configuration, then kani ang outermost shell. Mao ni ang outermost shell. It is the 3p3. No? Meaning the valence electron is pila 3. That like that. No? 3 or 5. No? Then this one, the iodine, here in iodine, that is krypton. After krypton, no? Then 8 na po sunod. No? Krypton, then 8. Meaning na ay sobra nga 7. Tanawa, pila. No? This is 10 man siya. Minus 8. So, 2 plus 5, 7. Meaning your iodine has the valence electron of 7. That is why they belong to group 7. So on and so forth. No? So for zinc, you have 4. I-minus man nimo, it should be 8 minus 10 minus 8, it's 4. 2 plus 2, it's 4. That is it. So the valence electron is the outermost shell. Okay, that is it. Okay, so let us move on to the sizes of an atoms. This is very important so that we will know if it is bigger or smaller. So the size of an atom, one is the size. Diba mo ni ang diameter? This is the distance between the nuclei. It's the diameter, the distance. Okay. Let us look into the sizes of ions. What is ions? Ions could either be having a positive charge and having a negative charge. Ngani kag positive charge, they are cation. Kani mga cation is siya. Negative charge is an ion. No? So ionic sizes depends upon nga naman, what are the factors that will affect the ionic size? Kaning tulo, the nuclear charge, the number of electrons, the orbital which the electron reside. Ngani inyo mga mata sa group 1. Mauni ang parent atom. Lithium, sodium, potassium, like that. No? Compare nato siya sa having this cation, the positive charge, the lithium. The size of an atom, the parent atom lithium is 1.34 ang iyang size. While the ion, the lithium ion is 0.68. Pasabot anay. Meaning, mas dako ang parent atom, mas dako ang atom sa parent ion, parent element compared sa kaning ion. Take a look. This is 134.68. Sa sodium, 154 ang parent ion nga sodium. Tas ang iyang ion is 0.97. Pero tanawa po, paubos by means of family. Sa ion, man, increasing, decreasing. Una, lithium 0.68 as it goes down. 0.68, 0.97, 1.33, 1.47. Meaning, by group or by family, what will happen to the size? Ang kadakon sa ion, the cat ion, magkadako siya. Di ba tanaw? Magkadako siya. Okay? Maura gihapon sa iyang parent, magkadako gihapon. Pero, diferensya ba ha? Ang parent, mas dako ang iyang atom compare ang radius niya kontra sa imong ion. Imong kaning positive charge. Tanawa, kung positive charge, mas gamay kontra sa parent. Kung negative charge, if it is an ion, ani na po na magtanaw. Ani, that's the fluorine. Now, fluorine is the parent, this is the ion. Fluorine parent is 0.71, fluorine 0.99, 1.44, 114 for bromine, and 1.33 for iodine. That is for group 7A. Then for an ion, 1.33, 1.81 chlorine, like that. Tanaw, i-compare. Asa may mas dako? Mas dako, basta an ion, basta negative charge gani, mas dako ang atom compared nimo sa iyang parent. Pero pareho ra sila. Paubos, going down of group from top to bottom, it is increasing. Magkadako ang imong atom. Diferensya lang, basta gani negative charge, mas dako siya sa imong parent atom. Kung positive charge, mas gamay siya sa imong parent atom. Imong kalimot. Okay, here. So, cation, yung gani kong cation katong positive charge, smaller than their parent. Nga naman, what's the reason? The outermost electron is removed. Gikuha man ang outermost electron. Kay, di ba yung ko sa inyo, kanisiya naa siya sobra nga usa ka electron. Kinahanglan ihatag, i-donate, or i-transfer. So, unsa may nahitabo? Gi-remove ang electron. So, naay repulsion, mao nang na-reduce ang size sa imong atom. Gets nyo? Okay. How about an ion? So, kana mo na siya, pareho na siya. For the anion, kani-kania, anions are larger. Nga naman, sila may nagdawat. Electrons are added. Katong sa cation, electrons are nakuha. Kani sa anion, sila'y nag-accept. So electrons are added, repulsion and repulsion are increased. That's the reason. So be sure to remember the sizes of ions. Ions increase in size as you go down. Ions go down. Nga naman, due to increasing value of your energy level. Increasing energy. Di ba? Pagpaana, dako pong energy level. Next thing is ionization energy. What is meant by ionization energy? This is the energy required to remove an electron from the ground state. Na? So, na first ionization, na second ionization, so on and so forth. No? This is the energy. Energy nga mukuha sa electron. Electron ba ay kuhaon? No? Ang first nga electron nga kuhaon is first ionization. Ang second nga electron nga i-remove is second ionization energy. Okay. So here it is. No? It requires, in ionization energy, it requires more energy to remove each successive electron. Maunang daghan ionization energy. Dili pwede kasara. Dili. Usa-usa na yung ka-electron ang makuha. No? So, what is the trend in the first ionization? No? Going down. Paubos, top to bottom, less energy to remove the first electron. So what happened? So for the atoms in the same group, the nuclear effectivity is essentially the same. So electrons are farther from the nucleus. So this is, next is electron affinity. What do you mean by electron affinity? This is the energy which is added to your electron. Okay. So mao ni ang trend sa electron affinity, no? So, mingong gani ana, the arrow, if the arrow goes that way, meaning it is, what is that? It is less than 0, no? This one is negative 60, ana, no? Like that. These are its electron affinity. So in general, electron affinity becomes more exothermic, meaning in a reaction, heat will be evolved. No? That is it. No? More exothermic will go from left to right across the row. Meaning, mass exothermic reaction is the reaction wherein it involves the heat outside. No? So, electron affinity becomes more exothermic from left to right. So that's it. So the size of an ions are being justified by means of the so-called isoelectronic series. So series meaning it will be in increasing. Ionic size decreases, magkagamay siya, nga naman with increasing nuclear charge. Mao na mahitabo. No? Magkagamay ang imong ang ion. No? Why? Because of increasing nuclear charge. As a summary, okay, here it is. No? So the isoelectronic series ions have the same number of electrons. So ionic size decreases when increasing nuclear charge. Tumduman niyo niya, ang ionic size decreases kung mo-increase ang nuclear charge. So in, what man to? In short, IE ni siya. IE in general, IE basta, what's IE? That is, it's an energy to remove the electron. That is, across the period from left to right, unsa man mo increase inyong IE. From top to bottom, it will decrease. From family, from period, across the period, it will increase. Unsa reason? Because it's harder to remove your electrons from non-metals. So they need more to be stable. For non-metals, easier to remove from metals and they want to get rid of them. Diba? Kung sobra, ang mostly sa metal, sobra ang ilang electron, ilang ihawaon, pagawason nila. Why it is decreasing as you move down the family? Because it's harder to remove electrons closer to the nucleus. That is why so-called opposite attracts. Your nucleus, you have your proton there, which has a positive charge. Your electron is just outside. So, ang dumdumon lang ninyo is basta IE gani across the period from left to right increases, from top to bottom decreases. Okay. For electronegativity, no, En siya. It has an abbreviation of En. Highest is 4. Lowest is 0. Okay. From left to right, it increases. No? From top to bottom, it decreases. Nga naman, non-metals wants electron, so they will be attracted to them. Metals want to get rid, while metals want to get rid of it. That's the reason why it will increase. Same thing with the electronegativity from top to bottom. It will decrease. Take a look. No? Here, we have now the atomic radius. No? Period, paano ang period ha? Oops, balik. Balik. Kana, period na siya. Family na yung paana, column. Okay. Sa period, tanawa, di ba, nagkaanam siya kagamay. Dako, pagamay. That's period. Dako, pagamay. Ayun na, apila ninyo ni kani-kani. This is, kay di man ni siya mo react. Kay these are noble, no? Kana, pagamay, no? Unsaman, what's the trend? Period, atomic radius going with the period from left to right, it decreases. No? Because of increase in nuclear charge. Then, for group, that one there, paana, group 1, group 2, no? It will increase, nga naman, increasing number of energy level. Magkadako ang energy level. That's for the atomic radius. So, in short, take a look at the arrow. Kaning tulo, ionization energy, electronegativity, radius. Padulong nga to gani, ang IE increase, ang E, electronegativity increase, ang radius decrease. Paubos. No? This is along the period, along the group. No? IE decrease, En decrease, radius increase. No? As a summary. No? Let us look into why is it that the atoms is bigger than its ion. Na? Here, sa may kuan. For metals, kung metals gani, okay, ang imong parent, na, the parent atom sodium, mas dako compared nimo sa imong ion nga sodium. Nga naman, katubang ingon ko si imo nga, iya mang hawaon, get rid man niya. So, less ang repulsion. For non-metals, ang parent is gamay, no, compared with your ion. Now, that is chlorine ion. This is sodium ion. In short, going to that way, your IE increase, your electron affinity, it increase from left to right, from right to left. For atomic radius, it decreases. From top to bottom, atomic radius increases. For electron affinity, from bottom to top, it increases. I.e. from bottom to top, it increases. For non-metallic character, it will increase from left to right. For metallic, that's none, ha? None. For the metallic character, it will increase from right to left. Okay. So what is electron configuration? Di pila pa tong time. Tanpang ko time. Wala pa. Electronic configuration is the one you are going to write in order to know its kung ano niya, ang iyang number of electrons. Actually, it's the number of electrons which will have that notation using the off-bound. No? That is it. That is the electron configuration. Wherein our basis here is the number of the quantum number. It will start with 2, then 8. No? Then it is being assigned with the different sublevel S, P, D, F. This is being discovered by Bohr. Okay. Take a look. Diba? Ang N is equal to 1, it has also a letter counterpart, which is K, L, M, N. K meaning N is equal to 1, L is equal to 2 for L, M is equal to 3, N is equal to 4 for N. No? How are you going to know the number of electrons in each of this shell? No? It has that formula of 2n squared. 2n squared. Okay, so if your n is 1, kani, n squared ni siya. So 1 times raised to the power of 2 is 1 times 2 is 2. Here, n squared ni siya. N 2 po nga 2a, no? Squared man. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. Inga na pagkuha. Here, n is 3, 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 2, 18. So on and so forth. That is meaning when n is 1, pila ka electron sulod ana? Duha. Sunod, and n is 2, pila ka electrons? 8. N is 3, 18. So on and so forth. So this is, diba, how many quantum number do we have? We have 4 quantum number. The main energy level with n symbol. We have the azimuthal quantum number, which has an value of L, no, the L, no, L. When it is equal to S, therefore your L is 0. Ba? No. When it is equal to P, your L is 1. When it is equal to D, your L is 2. When it is equal to F, 1, 2, 3, 4. S, it is 1. P is, no, S is equal to 0. No, P is 1, D is 2, F is 3, like that. No? The next one is the M sub L. No? M sub L, no? M sub L is the orbital filling na po. No? Then the last one is the spin. There are 2 values of the spin, the positive 1/2 and the negative 1/2. Pero nahumanan ako nag-discuss sa atong the one that I had given you in our video. No? So according to Aufbau principle, this will dictate how electrons occupy the orbital. Just follow this order. 1s, 2s, s, pila ka buk electrons? Duhara. Mo nang 1s2, 2s2, pila ka? Ang P6 na siya. 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d, pila? 10. No? Then 4p, samok ni nga iring, kadyot lang, saba, kaayo. Salamat, nawala. So that's it, no? That is Aufbau principle. Maldito akong meaning. So you will just have this, no? In the filling of the orbital, just follow this. That is the spiral. 1s, then 2s, then paana na po dayon. 2p, 3s, human 3p, 4s, so on and so forth. No? Kaninga level, it's n is equal to 1. Kaninga level is n is equal to 2. This one is n is equal to 3, so on and so forth. Okay. According to Pauli's exclusion principle, there are no 2 electrons with the same spin. Ang usa, kinahanglan clockwise, the other one is counterclockwise. That is why in the M sub S, you have 2 values, the positive 1/2 and the negative 1/2. Okay? That is the Hund's rule. No? This is about the orbital. No? So kung yung gani kag S, pila ka orbital? Duha, o sara, usa ka ana. Because the orbital filling is being signified by square. Di ba? Square, square. Kung ang usa ka square, pila ka electron sulod? Duha. Na? So kung S gani, pila ka orbital? Usa ra ka buok square. Tas duha ka buok ang electron sulod. Pa, saka, o paubos. Kung P gani, pila ka orbital? tulo kay uno man. Kada usa ka orbital duha, unom. Kung di gani pila ka orbital, upat kay 5 kay napulo man, no? Og ang F gani pila ka orbital, 7 kay 14 man ka electrons. Sa usa ka orbital, duha ka electrons ang sulod. Tandaan mo na ninyo ha? Okay, kani. This is now our orbital. Pwede rag dili square, pwede rag ingana ang aniya. So mas ganahan kog square. For instance, this is the correct way of writing the orbital. This is incorrect. Ngano man, kinahanglan. For instance, that is 1s2, 2s2. So up, then down. No. Up, then down. Then, naay sobra sa P. Pila ka buk orbital sa P? Tulo. No? Dili pwede usa, tas another na pud ubos duha. No. I-fill up sa nimo tanan kung naay sobra, una ka mo balik. Ha? So, if it is 2p2, meaning pila ka electrons, dapat duha. Usa, duha. Kung 2p4, that is usa, duha, tulo, una pa mo balik niya, opat, paubos. So, sayop ni siya. Incorrect ni siya. In the filling of orbital. So, what does it mean by this? No? Kaningan haa is the energy level. 1s2. Meaning your n is equal to 1. Then your L is equal to, sa mani? Basta S gani unsa to, L is equal to 0. Okay. So, M sub L is equal to 0. Basta S gani, 0 na siya. Then, what is your spin? Usara man ka electron. Paubos. Usara. Like that. That is the type of orbital. So, these are example. No? For instance, for oxygen, it has 8. Therefore, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Asa man mo ko ng 8 electrons? Katurang nas ibabaw. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, that is. Mauni ang naong niya kung naa siya sa orbital. Okay. No? Diba ang pinakauna pilay sulod, duha ka electrons. Sunod, 8. Pero kay unom ramay na butang nimo. No? Ana siya. Okay. So, these are the list of the noble gas configuration. So, for helium, 1s2. For neon, kani, na, neon is helium plus this. For argon, this one, helium, how many electrons? 2. So, that is 2, 4, 10 ni siya talan. Na? Kung yana, magani. Argon, kani, configuration. Meaning, this is a shortcut method aron dili na kaayot ta mutaas ang pagbutang. Ha? So this is the way of filling orbital na electronic configuration. Kani maura gyud ni siya tanan. Pwede ra ninyo ni siya kopyahon kani maura gyud na siya ang sunod-sunod. For instance, lithium is 3. So 1s2, 2s ayo butangin 2 kay 4 na siya. 1 na siya. For boron 5. Okay, kung 5 1s2, 2s2, then kani 1 ra kay 5 ra man kay electrons. No? For aluminum, oops, okay, 10 minutes na lang. For aluminum 13, maora po na siya nga na. Okay, maora na siya. For the noble gas configuration, mauni siya na ang noble gas configuration. Uy, human naman di ay food. Okay, good. So, it's now the time for me to, you can now, kay ako sang i-post.